Welcome to a mirror show. Today we're making slime.
Yes, you
I
guys.
got a visit is mommy.
Mixing utensils. Alright, so first things first, you guys. With our
Blue.
slime kit, we're going to have our mixing utensils, we have our glue, we have our activator. So first step, pour out 1 Elmer's glitter glue into the container. So get yours,
Glitter
but
glue.
make sure they can see.
Okay, put the glitter glue in.
Yep, put yours in there.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Put yours in there. Got it? Squirt in there.
It's so pretty. I want to do the slime video.
Come over here with us on the side of me.
Mine is so pretty.
Yep.
Done. I'm done. But what I can use?
Sit down. Sit down. Okay. You can get this. Take the top off.
Okay. I must be done.
Yep.
Okay.
You got all that good stuff in there. Good job, you guys. Well, he's this is her brother Amir. Pour it in your bowl. Ooh, so glittery, you guys, and blue. Okay, and Amir's doing his now. Mommy help you squirt it.
I can do that. I can squirt it for you.
Okay.
I know how to do it. Let's go. I'm gonna do it all over. I'll do it.
Okay.
Do this.
All right.
There we go.
Amir, what does it say next to do? What's step 2?
It's so
Don't touch it yet. Hold on.
Why?
Because we're not finished making our slime.
No problem for the
Oh my goodness, you hear the noise it makes? Listen. My goodness, you guys.
Now we're gonna put glue in it.
Okay, so now step 2. It says add 2 tablespoons. We'll get a spoon for us.
I want store it.
Okay, Amir's going to get a spoon for us.
Daddy, look at me slime.
Give him a spoon, a big tablespoon. Nope, get a big one. Let Daddy give you a big tablespoon.
I want to store it.
Make sure all of it's in there. Okay.
I want to store it.
Okay, hold on. So it says take. Hold on, you guys. It says take 2 teaspoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix well. So I'm gonna pour it in here and you stir it. Hold on, wait. Let me pour your Your magic in there.
No,
This is the magical liquid, you guys.
I'm gonna open mine and put it in my
Hold on, no, I have to pour it on the spoon. And you're going to stir it. Hold on. Okay, so you're going to help me count? It says we need 2 teaspoons. Okay, so this is the first one.
Over me.
This is 1.
I want to stir mine.
Okay, dump it in here.
No.
Good job.
No.
2. Okay, now stir yours. Okay, ready for you, Miriam? While he's stirring his slime. Oh. Here. Oh, sorry.
Give him this one.
Here, use this one and stir that with. Let me see your spoon. Oh, get another spoon, Miriam. We'll get another one because this one, his is stuck on there. Okay, so he's stirring his slime, you guys. Stir it really good. And we're going to see who makes the best slime. So like and subscribe to our video. And you can comment on who made the best slime. It's Omir, her brother, or Miria. Okay, let's count, you guys. This is 1. Dump.
I'm gonna do it.
2.
I'm gonna dump. Let go.
Dump and stir it up.
I'm stirring this one.
Don't put it in your nose. You gotta stir it. You trying to smell it? Yeah, you can stir with that one. Stir. Okay, they're stirring this slime. Don't touch it. Just stir it up really good first. Okay, while they're stirring their slime, you guys, it says step 4. Stirring the magical liquid until it becomes harder to mix and slime begins to form. Take the slime out and begin kneading with both hands. Okay, so they're stirring and then we're going to take it out after they finish stirring it really good.
It's so slippery.
Did you stir it really good?
Yeah.
Let me see. Leave it on the table so we can see. Stir it. Let me see your slime, buddy. Let's see how Omir. Ooh, his is getting. You gotta keep stirring. You gotta get it hard like Omir's.
Mama,
Ooh, Omir one is turning into slime, you guys.
mine turning orange.
Omir, you did awesome. Look at his slime, you guys. We're about to take it out in a minute after he
Look at
mixed
it,
it. Sit
mine.
down, Omir. Sit down.
Look at mine, guys.
Sit down, Omir.
Look.
Get out the table.
Look, mine.
Okay, stir yours a little bit more, Omir.
Look at mine, look cool.
Yes, it does.
Look at mine, guys.
Put it up here so they can see it.
I'm doing. Look at mine.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
It's so cool.
Let me get over here while you get in this chair. Here, sit your slime right here. And you get over here.
Look
Sit
at
down.
my.
Sit down.
Oh.
All right, I'm going to switch spots with him so he can get over here and you can see his slime better when they take it out. Okay, here you go.
Keep
Go ahead, get
growing.
over here. Sit down right here in this chair. Okay. All right. It's getting good, guys.
Mom, mine getting juicy.
It's getting juicy, you guys.
But am I not getting juicy?
Yeah, it's getting juicy. It's getting good. Okay.
Mommy, mine gonna be juicy.
Well, slime is not supposed to be real juicy. It's supposed to be.
Do you like slime? Give a big thumbs up.
If you like slime, give us a big thumbs up. You heard Miss Miriam. Okay, let me see you guys. I think it's ready. Almost time to come out. Hold on.
Look, I think mine ready. Look, you didn't turn the rainbow.
Ooh, Miriam.
Ooh,
Turn it around.
so pretty.
Y'all think they're ready to come out the bowl?
I think so.
Are they? Is it
I
hard?
think so. Mine. Look.
Okay, take it out, Miriam. You gotta start. You're doing it with your hands. Can you get it? Is it ready?
Yes.
Let me see, Miriam.
Look at mine, guys. Look, so sticky.
Hold on, Miriam one's not ready yet.
Huh?
Miriam one not ready yet.
Mine's sticky, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, look, guys.
Oh, we gotta stir this more.
Look.
Did mommy? Oh my gosh, you guys.
Mine's sticky too. Look at me getting stuck.
Oh my goodness. Let me see some.
It's getting
Let
so.
me see your slime. Did mommy put Too much magical liquid. Muriel's slime came out good. Did ours come out good? Oh, oh my goodness. I think Miriam has the best slime.
I think mine too.
I think yours came out great. Yours came out good. I think ours didn't. What did we do wrong? I think we put too much.
I did too much.
I think we put too much activator.
No.
Miriam, your slime is good. Oh my gosh, Mir, she got a good slime. Oh, I'm sorry. Mommy must have put too much in yours.
Yeah, you put two.
But maybe if it sits, it'll harden up. Go wash your hands. Oh, I'm sorry.
Look, guys.
Miriam has a good slime.
Look. It scratch and it grows. You can get some here. Here. Here's some.
I wanted mine to come out good.
But you put too much. You put some little bit in mine.
Hers is perfect and mine is not. I wonder if mine will get better.
Yeah, it will get better this time. See, get better.
It's getting better? Okay. She said it's getting better, you guys.
And then you'll be still, it'll be great.
Okay, well, I'm going to keep stirring.
Look at mine, you guys. Look, it is gross. I have a better idea.
What?
You can make slime a plant when it gets gross. It's not what it will be big.
Hers is better.
Look, is it gross? Mommy.
That's not fair.
I told you when you keep some really fast, it'll get together. Mommy, after mine real fast, so you turn. Mommy,
Hers is perfect.
Water.
No, water will make it not good. Let me keep stirring.
No, and let me see yours.
Well, you guys, who you think made the best slime? It's obvious that she made the best slime.
What? Look at that.
Let me see your slime.
I will put perfume.
Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. Look at her slime, guys.
Oh, I get it. I got it, Mom.
Yours are better?
Yeah. I got it, Mom.
Okay.
Mom, we are better now.
No.
Look.
Ours did not come out right. Hers came out perfect. It's okay. We'll try again next time. But she has the better slime to me.
We'll try next time.
We'll try next time. That's right.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye-bye.
See y'all next time. Thanks for watching our video on how to make slime. If you like our videos, just hit the
like and you hit the bell there.
Yep.
And the red button subscribe.
Yep, hit the red button
and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel, you guys.
Okay, bye.
See you next time.